Okay, I got you know, this little you know, sweep generators goes from like 30, 23, 24 megahertz up to like 6 gigahertz. I hadn't tested it up to that. I don't. Um, I haven't got around to it, but it's, you know, it's a pretty neat little deal. Right now I got it set to sweep, and you know, you can see, you know, that it does a pretty good job here, and you know, it generates a discernible square wave on this scope anyway, up to about 60 megahertz, so that's not too bad. And you know, you see over this sweep, I'm sweeping up to I guess 100 megahertz. No, can't see those little screens. 160 megahertz. You know, you don't really see a whole hell of a lot of attenuation on it, you know, until you start getting up there. But you can see my frequency counter craps out at about 130 megahertz. So, because, you know, it's only a 100 megahertz scope. So, but you know, this generates signals. This scope will detect signals, you know, out to what look to be about 300, 250, 300 megahertz. It's 1 gigasample scope. So, you know, it's you know, it's got one channel activated, so you know, it's ADC can be fully dedicated to one channel. So, but you know, it works quite well. I think it's like $20 or something like that. So, you know, they have a, you know, a version on Amazon that has a full touch screen and everything, you know, for 50 or 60 bucks. But I was like, I'm probably gonna, you know, control this thing with an Arduino, because that's actually a serial port that's got built onto it, and then have, you know, some of the Psi 5153s or 5351s, whatever, you know, covering the 9 kilohertz to 150 megahertz range, and then this picks up where that left off, so it could be a, you know, full generator. But you know, it's pretty stable, and it's like I said, it you know, generates a usable square wave for quite some time. At any rate, it's kind of neat. Cheers.